It's so easy to become rich in 2026. Guys, we are now living in a time where making money online has never been easier, okay? Now, if you're new watching this, you don't know who I am. My name is Alim. I used to work a 9 to 5 job myself back in the UK, where I used to work several 9 to 5 jobs. I used to work in Argos, I used to work in World Duty Free, I used to work at Sky, right? And after working these jobs, I realized, you know what? I've had enough of this. I don't want to work for a 9 to 5 job anymore. I've had enough of this. I'm going to take a big risk. I'm going to quit my 9 to 5 job. I'm going to pack my bags and I'm going to move to Dubai, right? So that's what I did. I took a huge risk, quit my 9 to 5 job, moved to Dubai, and now I run a successful 6-figure online coaching business, which has completely changed my life, allowed me to live here in Dubai and also have financial freedom, right? And after making over hundreds of thousands of dollars online, what I have realized is that making money online and just getting rich in general isn't actually that difficult. In fact, it might be a little bit controversial, but I genuinely believe that becoming rich in 2026 is extremely easy. Guys, it is so easy to become rich in 2026. And I'm not trying to sound like these, gurus online that make it sound like, oh, anyone can make 10K a month, anyone can make 20K a month, etc. I'm not trying to be like those types of people. But what I am saying is that, of course, there is going to be hard work attached to it. Of course, you need to put in effort. Of course, you need to know what you're doing, right? But when you understand what it is that you need to do, it is extremely easy, because all you have to do to get what it is that you want is to take action. Guys, whatever it is that you want in life, all you need to do is take action and it will happen, right? So, for example, if you want to become rich, if you want to become successful, well, ask yourself right now, are you doing absolutely everything required for you to become rich, for you to become successful? And for most of you people, you will say no. You're not doing everything possible. You're working 9 to 5 job, you come home, you play video games, you watch Netflix, you party on the weekends. What are you doing to change your life? What are you doing to become rich? Because what you also need to understand is that your 9 to 5 job will never ever make you rich. It doesn't matter if you work every living second, right, in your 9 to 5 job. You will not become rich, because you've got to understand one thing, right? With a 9 to 5 job, it's capped. There's only so much money you can make. And then on top of that, right, you get taxed by the government, so you don't make enough money anyway. But the point I'm trying to make is, right, when you work a 9 to 5 job and you put in all your effort in the 9 to 5 job, you're not going to make enough money, right? You're not going to become successful. You're not going to become rich. So you guys need to ask yourself, okay, cool. If a 9 to 5 job is not going to make you rich, what else can you do? And now I'm not asking you guys to quit your 9 to 5 job. I'm not saying just quit your 9 to 5 job and start an online business or something like that. No, start an online business alongside your 9 to 5 job. Like, why is that so difficult for a lot of you guys? Like, a lot of people have told me this. Oh yeah, but after work I get so tired, or I don't have time to work on my side hustle. Guys, do you want to change your life or not? Because I remember when I hated my 9 to 5 job, like I really hated it, I was working on my online business alongside my 9 to 5 job, right? I worked day and night on my online business. I worked on my business at work. Even during my lunch at work, I was working on my business. When I got home, I was working on my business. I remember sleeping like 3 hours across the whole weekend, where I was working 12-hour shifts each day. And I was just like, I need to get this work done. I need to work on my online business, because that's what's going to get me freedom. That's what's going to allow me, to be in a position where I don't need to work a 9 to 5 job anymore. And guys, it's happened. I don't work a 9 to 5 job now. I work for myself. I make well over 6 figures a year, right? I have financial freedom. I live in Dubai. I could do absolutely anything I want. Like, no one can tell me what to do. I do what it is that I want to do. And I built this life for myself because I have financial freedom. I have freedom in terms of making money online. So I have global freedom. I can work where I want, when I want, how I want, right? There's no one telling me what to do. And it's one of the best positions to put yourself in, honestly. And the reason why I'm talking about it's so easy to make money online in 2026, because guys, all the information that you want to make money is out there. When I was struggling to make money online when I first moved to Dubai, what I actually did was I hired a mentor, right? Now, the reason I hired a mentor is because he knew information that I didn't know. So I had to pay him to get the information required to change my life, right? So that's what I did. I hired a mentor, I paid him whatever money that he wanted, and he helped me tremendously. I learned all the information, I implemented it, and my life completely changed. Guys, you need to ask yourself right now, do you know everything? Do you know everything required to make money online, right? And please don't think of this from an egotistical point of view, because there's a lot of people with arrogance as well who think they know absolutely everything, but this is not the case. A lot of people think, oh, I can make content. I could just put content out on YouTube or TikTok and I'll get loads of views. It never works like that, guys. It never ever works like that, right? You have to learn the information required to get in that position to become rich. So guys, I have my own online coaching business, right? I work with people on a one-to-one basis and scale them to 10K a month. Now, if that does sound like you and you are interested and you want to learn the business model called the One Skill Consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. But yeah, guys, you should hire a mentor. If you don't know the information required, right, to make money, which you probably don't, and that's fine, right? Because you've never done it before. You've never made money online before. You've never created a personal brand before. You've never put yourself out there before. So when you try to do these things by yourself, and by all means, some people can, but exceptions don't disprove the rule, right? Generally speaking, around 90-95% of people, when they start trying to make money online, in fact, I'll probably argue it's a lot higher than that, they fail, right? They put in the effort, they make content, or, they set up their business, they don't get any clients, they don't make money, nothing happens for them, right? Everything fails. And then what happens? They quit and they go back to the 9-to-5 job. Guys, this is why it's never been as important to hire a mentor, because a mentor will literally show you, like, look, do this, bro, do this, bro, do this. And if you just follow the steps that the mentor outlines for you, you will make money. Because I always say to people, right, when it comes to a mentor especially, always hire someone that is doing what it is that you want to do. Don't hire a mentor that's not living the life that you want to live. So for example, a lot of people sign up with me because I make money online, I live in Dubai, I have financial freedom, I can do what it is that I want. And just that freedom aspect is why people sign up with me. But if there's someone else's content you're watching, or if there's someone else that is doing what it is that you want to do, hire them. But the point is, don't just watch these videos, like for example, my video or anyone else's video, right? And not take action. If you're just going to watch these videos and go about your day and maybe turn on the PlayStation, your life's not going to change. Guys, it is so easy to make money online, in the sense that if you just apply it, if you just implement the steps, if you just try, like genuinely try, you can't help but make money. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, think about it, right? If you guys decided, you know what, I'm going to make the intention to make money online and quit my 9-to-5 job. Cool. You made that intention. Okay. Now you said to yourself, you're going to do absolutely everything possible to do that. Okay. So what do? You hire a mentor. You put in the work. You put in hours and hours every single day. After your job, you come home, you put in the work, right? You build your brand, you build your YouTube, you build your Instagram, you build your TikTok, whatever it is, right? You put in the work, you put in the work, you put in the work. Guys, you're going to make money. Like, guys, I can't stress this enough, right? If you just intentionally decide that you want to make money, you hire a mentor, and you do absolutely everything required to basically become rich, you will become rich. Like, it's literally as simple as that. And if you don't try 100%, if you don't give it that 100%, well, the likelihood of you succeeding goes down. And if you try 0%, then there's going to be no chance you're going to become rich, right? Because money is not just going to fall in your lap. You're not just going to randomly win the lottery, for example, right? You need to put yourself in the best position possible. Say to yourself, okay, cool. I'm not rich right now. I need to make money. I hate my 9-to-5 job. What's the best course of action? And that's when you hire a mentor, because you don't know the information, right? To become rich, you hire a mentor, you follow the steps, you put in all the effort, you put in all the work, and then you become rich. It is absolutely impossible for you not to make money if you keep trying, if you keep working hard, if you learn from the right people. It's absolutely impossible that you don't make money. So guys, as I said, I have my own online coaching business, right? Where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month. Now, if that does sound interesting and you do want to work with me on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. But guys, I'm not exaggerating. It is so easy to make money in 2026. There are people as young as 16, 15, even like 14-year-olds, right? People are making money online. Like, it's so easy. And if it wasn't easy, how can a 14-year-old do it? How can a 15-year-old do it? How can a 16-year-old do it, right? Like, I've got a 16-year-old client that within a few weeks of working with me signed 2 clients, right? At $2,000 each. So he made $4,000 from the comfort of his own home, working less than a few hours a week, and made more money than someone that works a 9-to-5 job, goes into work every single day, works 40 hours a week, says hello to his boss, and then comes home with $2,000. And these are grown-ass men doing this, by the way, but he was able to do it at 16 from the comfort of his own home, working less than 10% of the hours that someone would work, right? Which is crazy. When you think about it like that, it's absolutely crazy. And this is why I say it's so easy to make money online, because if people that are that young, who have no life experience, can do it, then if you're watching this, maybe you're 25, maybe you're 30, maybe you're 35, maybe you're 40 plus, right? You guys can do it too. What tends to hold people back is themselves. Like, you watching this video you can make money. But most times you don't take the action, or you don't put the effort in. You don't try, right? You give up, you make excuses, you don't put yourself in the best position possible to make money, which is, like I mentioned, hiring a mentor, right? If you're going to do things by yourself, of course you're going to fail. Like, don't expect you to start a business tomorrow and for it to become successful overnight. It doesn't work like that. You guys need to hire a coach, right? You need to hire a mentor. Even people like Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the best footballers in the world, he has a coach. Even one of the best boxers in the world, right? Floyd Mayweather, he had a coach. So what makes you think, with what arrogance do you think that you don't require a coach? Of course you do. There's nothing wrong in trying to get help, right? If anything, it's the best course of action. And I wish I had knew this sooner, right? Because if I knew that hiring a mentor could change my life the way it has right now, man, I would have hired a mentor at 20, 21, even younger, to be honest. Because I was also, like a lot of you guys, very skeptical, looked at other people and thought, nah, it's not possible. Guys, after doing it myself, I've realized how possible things are and how anything is possible. And all it requires is you trying. All it requires is you putting yourself in the best position possible to change your life. Because if I hadn't hired a mentor, I guarantee I'd be back in the UK right now, working my 9 to 5 job, listening to my boss, thinking to myself, what could have been? What could have actually been? And that's why I say, guys, it's so easy to make money in 2026, right? In fact, absolutely anyone can do it. All you have to do is try. And if you try, if you put in 100% and you never give up and you're consistent every single day, it's impossible for you to fail. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you guys are looking for a mentor, right, and you want to work with me on a one-to-one basis, where I will scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, where you essentially sell your skills and knowledge to high-ticket clients, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.